Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to log out of WhatsApp on lost phone. It's very easy. Let's go! To do this, you need to write to WhatsApp support. Go to Gmail or any other email that is convenient for you. Write a letter to support@whatsapp.com. Please deactivate my WhatsApp account. And write it again. Now write your phone number here. Now you can send an email. The response from WhatsApp support looks something like this. Your account is not deleted, but only deactivated for a while. I also want to tell you about another way. It will be relevant for you if you are able to restore your SIM card. You just need to register a new account and use the backup. Let me quickly show you how to make a backup. Click on the three dots. Settings. Chats. Chat backup. Click on the backup button. I highly recommend you to make backups of your messages at regular intervals. You can also do backups automatically. Enter your phone number and log into your account. On a lost phone, the person will no longer be able to log into your account and will get a message like this. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye.